Today I have some products to show you, and we're going to do a get ready with me, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's start right now. Let's see if my makeup lasts. Hey beauties, welcome. Today we're going to do this look, get ready with me. I'm going to show you some new products, and I'm going to show you a new perfume, some products from Octoly, from Becca. So let's get on with the get ready with me. This is a under eye brightening corrector by Becca. This is a First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. Okay, ooh, I can't wait to try it. So I have on serums, vitamin C, and my oils. Okay, now I'm going to put this on. Ooh, look at that. Oh, good. It doesn't show purple. I'm glad. I tell you, years ago I went to a makeup party in my 20s, and I didn't wear foundation in my 20s. And the lady wanted to put lavender primer, all thick lavender primer all over my face, and she did, but I didn't buy it because I just didn't wear foundation then. Okay, so there's the primer. First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. Okay, now we'll put on foundation, and then I will put on the eye brightener. Take this. Oh, I forgot my sunscreen. I'm not going in the sun. Alright, so I take what is it? I take 2 doe footfuls. Just put it all over. This. I like a primer that gives you a glow. I think you need to let the primer set a little bit. But while that's setting, and the foundation, I'm going to put my lips on. I'm wearing red, so I put my red robe on. Okay. This is called Orange Shot by Maybelline, Vivid La Mattes, and this is called Orange Obsession. I put it on the bottom, and then I blot together, and then I draw the outline. Now I have this contour by Makeup Geek. Makeup Geek has contour that go in light, medium, and dark, fair, light, medium, dark, cool, fair, cool, medium, cool, dark, warm, fair, warm, medium, warm, dark. So this color is Cool Fair Contour. And I'm taking it with this Sephora Featherlight blending brush. Now this color is beautiful because it's so cool. Because it's cool. So I got Cool Fair because I don't want any warmth in my contour. And this brush is so cool. Look how long it is. So this is just for the contour. Let's take a little erase rewind, and just, I love this stuff. And if I feel like it, then I put Shape Tape over it, or, oh, I forgot. I'm trying this out. So I'm going to Just blend that in like that. And then I'm going to take this. Ooh, creamy. Ring finger. Now I find the Shape Tape dries so fast, I can only do one eye at a time. But everything else takes a while to dry, so I'm going to put this up there too. Oh, I like it. Orange Obsession. I'm putting this on over. The orange shot is really like a red orange, you know? Okay, that. Okay, let me give you a little swatcheroo. Let's see. Swatch. I mean, that's really a bright orange. And then I like bright lipsticks because you lose a lot in your face as you age. So that's orange shot. It's red, right? So you lose a lot of your features. They don't pop as much the older you get. So I like something to pop. So now I am blending in that contour. I don't think I used the right brush really to put it on to begin with. But here is the cutest little blush. It's the little Gudetama Korean egg. It's a little egg yolk sponge. And the product is like silly putty. It's an amazing product because it blurs all your pores in one swipe. And this is a pretty color. I have two of them. I'll put links down below. But it really is a gorgeous blush. And it's so cute. I love that little egg. So now I'm just putting a little highlighter on my nose and on the sides. If you want your nose to look narrower, you put highlighter on the sides, not contour. So I'm taking one of my sponges and just blending. Now I'm taking Too Faced Bronze and Poreless, and I'm using it as a blush and a bronzer. Now I'm going to take this, I don't know what color, I like the green. I like the green. I like the green because it's dark. They both look good. They both look bright. Oh, I love that burgundy color. It's called Toffee. Oh, I just love that color. See that? Oh, that just warms up the eye. Warms it up. It's just so hard to get it neat. I can't do it. Clean brush. Okay. Oh, I have a new mascara. I think I got it in one of these beauty boxes. Okay, so here's one of my new find in mascaras. Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. Oh, it's a good one. I bent this. Doesn't come bent, but oh, it's a good one. Now I got eyeshadow on. my lashes, so I'm just going to put a coat of this over it. Oh, I just don't want to wear any eye makeup with my red lips, but I just look so bland. It looks so boring, but I just need more mascara. You know what I really could use? Some lashes. That would be nice if I put that on, but I don't want to. I don't want to. Okay. I like my eyes to look feline, like that. Maybe I should put some gloss. A little bit of gloss. This is by NYX. NYX is pretty good, I say. NYX has the good foundation mixer in the dark and the light and the medium, and then it's got this gloss for the eyes. NYX is pretty good. So, okay, I like this. This certainly gave me a dewy look, and this really covered nice. I'm pretty pleased with that. So, let's see. I'm going to take my Chanel. I'm just going to bronze up a little bit without adding powdery. Just on top of my bronzer. Look, I have hit pan on that. I have hit pan. Don't put it with the tab down. You'll never get it out. I did that once. It was so hard to get out. There, look at that. Seals it so nice. I love that. I want to powder my nose after I highlight it over here. I love these Sephora brushes. Sephora Pro. This is the airbrush. Oh, these are nice. All of these Sephoras. The Sephora is like the Morphe brushes. Alright, let's powder. A little powder nose. Yes. And then a little bit here. And that's it. I want to thank Becca for sending me this. I hope you enjoyed the other products that I showed. And I'll put links down below for the eyeshadows and for the lippies and for the bronzer, Chanel bronzer. And let me show you my latest perfume that I'm in love with. Well, actually, I am in love with Moschino Cheap and Chic Petals and Moschino Cheap and Chic Funny, and now this one. Now, I love Elizabeth and James. The creators of Elizabeth and James are the Olsen twins. And Elizabeth and James are their brother and sister. So they named their perfume line after their brother and sister. It's very sweet. So I got this for 100 points on Sephora. But this one, oh, is French Gray. Oh, I love it. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is like smelling salts to me. Let me tell you what it says on their website. Ooh, it's like, what a description. I have to read this to you because it's amazing. French Gray Nirvana, fresh floral. Its keynotes are musk, neroli, and lavender. Sit back, relax, and let Nirvana French Gray transport you. A fresh bouquet of lavender mixes with neroli and musk, creating an adventurous, mesmerizing experience. This memorable eau de parfum has a chic, unconventional je ne sais quoi, leaving you with an unforgettable wanderlust. Elizabeth and James fragrance collection represents the ultimate state of happiness, an idyllic memory, feeling, moment, or experience. I just love it. I love many things. So good. I can put this on all day. All day. I mean, and don't get me wrong, I love the white one and the black one. Wow. These are, whew. I would say this and Moschino Cheap and Chic Petals are my favorite. Absolutely. And then this was just because I bought something on Sephora rewards, and I got this for 100 points. It is just so cute. Oh, delicious. So that's it, and I'm so glad you spent your morning with me or your time with me. I hope to bring you a great video next week. And if you have a minute before you go, if you want to hit the boop and the boop, I would love it. And I hope you have a happy, wonderful, beautiful, beautiful week. I love you all.